we're going to make a no-sew scrunchie. My girls are obsessed with scrunchies and they've learned how to sew them. They're super easy, but some people might not have a sewing machine or know how to sew, so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to do one with no sewing. So we're going to turn the fabric. Well, first of all, let's start with a piece of fabric that is 4.5 inches this way and 22 inches that way. And then we'll turn it right side down. We're going to put just a little bead of hot glue along one end. And quickly before it dries, we will press it over. This is going to give us kind of a finished edge on our scrunchie. We're going to repeat on the opposite side. All right, now we will fold it so that the pattern is on the inside. We're going to do a bead all the way down. We'll probably go in sections so that the glue doesn't dry out as we go. So let's just do a bead of glue along the edge. I like this pattern because it kind of gives you lines to follow. So we'll just kind of go that far and press the fabric together. Next we'll take a safety pin and we're going to pin the end. And then we're going to insert the pin down through the tube and kind of pull the fabric up as we go. This will get the tube right side out. So now we just need to get our elastic through the middle. So we'll attach the elastic, and I did a 10-inch piece of elastic for this scrunchie. I'll add a safety pin to the other end, and we'll use that to guide the elastic through the tube. So then we'll remove the safety pins and we're going to tie a knot in the elastic. So kind of pull it out a little bit and we'll do right over left, left over right, maybe for a square knot. There we go. And so then all we have left to do is just to add a little bead of glue all the way around to secure the scrunchie. So just add a little bit. Try not to dribble all over like I just did. There you go, a no-sew scrunchie.